Yo, I hope you're good. Welcome back to the Voice Savvy YouTube channel. So I'm doing a quick Q&A today, a quick Q&A video. I received this question from one of our viewers, and the question is, after you breathe, what do you do to sing on pitch if you're trying to let it flow instead of forcing each note or word that you sing? So I have to say, let's talk about it. It's a great question, and it's something that many of us singers struggle with, and I know I've definitely struggled with this in the past. So let me break it down for you in some simple steps to help you sing on pitch naturally. So step one is all about breath support. After breathing in, really use your diaphragm to control the airflow. It's about steady and controlled breathing. It isn't just about pushing all of the air out super fast, you know. You want to really control this area. And then step two is about just relaxing your throat and your jaw. Tension in this area can really throw off your pitch. You want to just keep it relaxed for better vibration and resonance when singing. And then step three is ear training, and this is really going to help you recognize and match pitch accurately. Regular ear training exercises can really improve your pitch accuracy, so make sure that you're doing that. Step four is consistent practice. Practice scales and simple melodies that really are just going to build up muscle memory for smooth transitions between notes. And then step five is visualize a melody. Think of the melody as a continuous line, not separate notes, and this is really going to help with smoother, more flowing singing. And then step six is gentle onsets. Be gentle with how you start each note. Be intentional with it. Onsets is about how you attack each note, but this really prevents you from hitting the notes too hard, which can cause pitch problems. And then finally, step seven is about staying emotionally connected, engaging with the song's emotion, and just naturally letting that guide your pitch and your tone. And remember, it's all about balance and practice, you know. Don't force it. You have to be intentional with how you hit those notes, but muscles of voice actually respond to abstract thought. So when we sing, we need to think about the abstract thought of pitch, and then our vocal cords will adjust to meet the pitch. But we really need to be thinking about the intensity, the tone, and the color of the pitch. And this is going to then create very strong neural pathways from the brain to the vocal cords. And this is how we train the voice. This is how we really build up that muscle memory, you know. So a lot of it is in the mind. But I would also say something, get help from a professional coach. Consider professional training, because a good vocal coach is going to be able to really just give you that personalized guidance. And if you're looking for a vocal coach, you can find out more information about coaching with me. I'll leave the link below. But on top of that, you can also book a free vocal exploration session with me, and this is where we would chat, we talk about your goals, make a plan so that we can execute and help you to reach your singing goals. But yeah, I hope this video is helpful. I hope you found it helpful, and I hope it answers your question. But if you have any more questions, drop them in the comments below. Anyone, drop your questions in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more singing tips and tricks. And also, don't forget to download the Voice Savvy app, which is available on the App Store and Google Play, and it's free. There's vocal training, workouts, challenges on there, etc. But I will see you in the next video. Much love and peace out. Mwah.